Hello to all of my lovely subscribers and viewers. Welcome to our channel Artworks with Anu. Today I am going to make a poster for Earth Day. So enjoy this video, and if you like the video, please like and share. Friends, I have already prepared a sketch of it. So let's start. First of all, we will outline with black pen, and I am using Sharpie permanent marker fine ultra, and you can also use any other black sketch or pen. So let's start. So the outline of this drawing is completed, and now we will color it, and I am using this 48 watercolor pencils Luna, and you can also use any normal pencil color or watercolor for coloring this drawing. So let's start. friends, this drawing is completed. So how did you like this poster drawing? Please tell us by commenting in the comment section. And if you like the drawing, so like and share it. And if you are new, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you again in the next video. Take care and bye bye.